The significance of problem-solving skills in game hacking is emphasized as essential for achieving success. Mastering these skills can notably enhance a hacker's overall effectiveness and ability to navigate complex challenges. Cheat Engine's memory scanner empowers users to identify and modify game values, including critical metrics such as health and resources. This capability for customization is paramount in creating tailored gaming experiences that align with individual preferences. The software encompasses features specifically designed for reverse engineering Unity games, which streamlines the analysis of game structures. This functionality significantly facilitates the understanding and manipulation of various game mechanics. The tutorial initiates with exact value scanning, a method that allows users to search for specific integer values within memory. This technique is vital for executing straightforward memory manipulations effectively. Additionally, the tutorial addresses unknown initial value scanning, which proves beneficial when game values are not readily visible. This method aids users in accurately tracking dynamic values such as health or ammunition. The subsequent techniques involve floating point and double scanning, both of which are crucial for games utilizing decimal values. These methodologies enhance the precision and accuracy of value modifications undertaken by the user. Finding the correct address within the game's memory is a pivotal step, as it allows for the effective manipulation of game variables, including health and score. This process entails a systematic approach to scanning and altering values. Utilizing pointers proves advantageous, especially when game values undergo changes or become invalid. This approach ensures that the correct address remains accessible, negating the need to restart the search process. Code injection emerges as a means for executing more advanced manipulations, such as transforming a health decrement into an increment. This technique provides a significant advantage during gameplay by modifying assembly instructions directly. The importance of indexing the player list is underscored, as it is critical for accurately locating health values. A comprehensive understanding of the game's memory structure significantly enhances the efficiency of the cheating process. Employing tools like Cheat Engine further aids in the identification and verification of memory addresses. Such tools offer valuable insights into the values and instructions being executed, thereby streamlining the overall process. It is essential to document each step in the pointer chain, as these steps directly influence the final value. Mastery in adjusting offsets accurately is crucial for locating the precise health value required for effective gameplay manipulation. An understanding of health management mechanics within the game is vital for successful code manipulation. The video elaborates on how health values can be altered through meticulous memory scanning techniques. The importance of differentiating between various players is accentuated, as recognizing team members compared to enemies allows for targeted health modifications without compromising gameplay integrity. Finally, code injection is presented as a robust method for altering game functionality. The tutorial demonstrates the implementation of simple conditionals that regulate health behavior through assembly code modifications.